Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix a dropped stitch. First, I will show you how to use a crochet hook to repair a stitch, and then I will show you how to do the same thing if you don't have a crochet hook with you. Okay, so first I will drop a stitch. You can see that we have 5 rounds to repair. Now take a crochet hook that is about the same size as the knitting needles you are using. Insert the crochet hook into the stitch from below. Now get the first strand above the stitch and pull it through the stitch. You have repaired one round. Pull the next strand above the stitch through the stitch. Repeat the same thing for the other strands and make sure to pull them through in the right order. Now you can put the stitch back onto the needle. If you don't have a crochet hook, you can also repair the stitch with your knitting needles. To do that, insert the left needle into the stitch so that the right leg is in the front. Now put the left needle under the first strand that you need to repair. Use your right needle to pull the stitch over the strand. Now put the left needle under the next strand. Pull the stitch over the strand. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.